Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the latest and most intriguing products on the market. Today, we have a fantastic accessory for all you fitness and tech enthusiasts out there: the Abanen Silicone Air Hole Sportwatch Bands. These bands are designed for various Garmin watches, and we're going to dive into all the details you need to know before making a purchase decision. First and foremost, let's talk compatibility. These silicone watch bands are specifically designed for Garmin users. They are compatible with models such as the Garmin Epix Pro 42mm, Fenix 7S Sapphire Solar, Fenix 6S Pro, and many more. However, please note that they are not suitable for Fenix 5X, 5X Plus, 6X, 7X, or Instinct 2 models. So, be sure to check your watch model before buying. One of the standout features of these bands is their unique air hollowed design. This not only gives them a sporty and stylish look but also provides excellent breathability. This is essential for those of us who wear our fitness watches during workouts or outdoor activities. The hypoallergenic silicone material ensures comfort and durability, making them perfect for running, yoga, hiking, swimming, and even surfing. The Abanen Silicone Sportwatch bands have a smooth finish, which not only adds to their sporty aesthetic but also ensures they won't irritate your skin. The bands come with a fold-over magnetic closure, providing a secure fit. They are designed for wrist sizes ranging from 5.1 inches to 7.48 inches, so they should accommodate most users comfortably. When you receive your package, you'll find one quick-fit 20mm silicone sport replacement band inside. Please note that the smartwatch itself is not included, so you'll be getting just the band. But it's the band that we're here to talk about today. Now, let's talk about the price. These Abanen Silicone Sportwatch bands are currently available on Amazon for just $14.39, which is an affordable option considering the quality and compatibility they offer. However, please keep in mind that the availability of this product may vary based on your location, so make sure to check Amazon for details. In conclusion, the Abanen Silicone Air Hole Sportwatch bands are a fantastic choice for Garmin watch users looking to enhance both the style and comfort of their wearable tech. With their unique design, comfort, and affordability, these bands are a great addition to your fitness accessories. Just remember to double-check your watch model before purchasing. That's it for today's review of the Abanen Silicone Air Hole Sportwatch bands. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. If you have any questions or comments about these bands, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.